Riding a motorcycle is all about freedom, the open road, the wind in your face, and that perfect sense of control. But let's face it, even the most adventurous rides can benefit from a little tech assistance. That's where CarPlay and Android Auto screens for motorcycles come in. They bring the convenience of navigation, music, and hands-free communication right to your handlebars. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or tackling a cross-country road trip, these smart displays can make your ride smoother, safer, and way more fun. Today, we're checking out 7 of the best options out there, from compact screens to feature-packed powerhouses. And if one of them catches your eye, all the links are down below in the description so you can check them out or grab one for your next ride. Let's dive in. First up is the Carpuride W702 Pro, which brings a solid mix of size and functionality. This screen clocks in at 7 inches and it's waterproof, which is pretty much non-negotiable for any motorcycle gear. It supports both CarPlay and Android Auto, and includes dual Bluetooth so you can connect your headset and phone simultaneously. One of the things that makes it stand out is how many extras it packs in, like a built-in light sensor, compass, EQ settings, even a barometer. You also get GPS navigation support and music sharing, which really makes it a do-it-all screen. The intercom feature is a plus if you ride in groups. On the flip side, it's definitely on the bulkier side, so if you've got limited handlebar space or a more minimalist aesthetic, it might feel like overkill. But for touring riders or anyone who wants a robust setup, this one definitely delivers. Next is the Lampto Motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto unit, which is a bit more compact but still feature-rich. This one comes with a 6.25-inch waterproof touchscreen that supports GPS, Bluetooth transmission, and voice assistance. What's great here is the design. It feels sleek and user-friendly, and the interface is easy to navigate even with gloves on. My buddy Josh installed this on his Yamaha and said it completely transformed his rides. He especially liked how responsive the voice commands were and how easily it synced with his phone. However, he did mention the brightness could be a bit better under harsh sunlight, which is something to consider if you ride a lot during the day. That said, for the price and size, it's a really well-rounded option. The third one on the list is the Volum Motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto system. If you're looking for portability, this one's a gem. It comes with a 6.25-inch detachable touchscreen that's also IPX6 waterproof rated. It offers remote control functionality, which is a neat little bonus if you want to control music or navigation without reaching for the screen. It also supports dual Bluetooth and 5G Wi-Fi, which makes for quick and stable connections. I tried this one myself on a short road trip up the coast, and what impressed me most was the clarity of the display and how easily it paired with both iPhone and Android. It was smooth all the way, although I did notice the speaker volume isn't the loudest. If you ride with a full-face helmet, a Bluetooth headset is pretty much essential. Still, it's a strong pick if you want something compact and reliable. Coming in at number 4 is the Carpuride W603. This one is similar in feature set to the W702 Pro, but with a slightly smaller 6.3-inch display, which might be a better fit for smaller bikes or tighter cockpit setups. It still supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, GPS, Bluetooth transmission, and voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. The remote control feature adds convenience, and it's IP-rated for weather resistance. One friend of mine, who commutes daily on his Ducati, uses this model and loves how it blends functionality without cluttering the dashboard. However, he did run into some minor Bluetooth pairing issues early on, though those were resolved after a firmware update. All in all, it's a dependable mid-size option that balances screen real estate with practical features. Now let's talk about the Kmetro Motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto display. This one flies a little under the radar, but it's earned some loyal fans for its simplicity and ease of use. It doesn't try to cram in too many extras. Instead, it focuses on doing the basics well. It supports both CarPlay and Android Auto, is waterproof, and has a clean interface. It's a good entry-level choice, especially for riders who don't need a ton of bells and whistles. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that the screen brightness and speaker quality are more mid-tier compared to some of the pricier options on this list. That said, it's a very wallet-friendly option for casual riders or those just starting to dip their toes into connected motorcycle tech. Moving on to number 6, the Carpuride W702 BS Pro. This one's tailored more toward BMW riders, but it works with most motorcycle models. It features the same 7-inch waterproof screen as the original W702, but adds extra functionalities like TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, and native Wonder GPS support. It's got all the usual suspects: dual Bluetooth, intercom, light sensor, and even a 16-pin connector for more advanced installations. A rider I met at a rally in Colorado had this set up on his GS and swore by it, especially for long-haul trips. His only complaint? The initial installation took a bit of time due to the extra wiring for TPMS. But once set up, it worked flawlessly. If you're serious about touring or adventure riding, this one's a powerhouse. Last but not least is the Volum Auto MT7, which brings a few unique touches to the table. It's got a 6.86-inch IPS display with a 60Hz refresh rate, which makes animations and transitions look buttery smooth. It's IP67 rated for dust and water, supports both platforms, and includes front and rear camera inputs, as well as a tire pressure monitor. That's a lot of functionality packed into a pretty sleek form. I gave this one a test run for a week and was surprised by how intuitive the interface felt. It even includes quick-release mounting, which makes it super easy to take off when parking in high-theft areas. The only downside I noticed was that the initial boot-up time was a bit slow, just a few extra seconds, but worth mentioning. Otherwise, it's a fantastic all-in-one system for riders who want safety features baked right in. So, which one's right for you? Well, that depends on what kind of rider you are. If you're just starting out or want something simple and affordable, the Kmetro unit is a great place to start. It covers the basics and gets the job done without overwhelming you. If you want a more balanced feature set without going too big, the Lampto or Carpuride W603 are both excellent mid-tier choices. Compact, capable, and user-friendly. For tech lovers or long-distance riders, the Carpuride W702 Pro and the W702BS Pro bring that extra layer of depth with sensors, intercom, and larger displays. And if you're looking for a clean, modern design with some safety perks, the Volum Auto MT7 is hard to beat. The Volum screen, meanwhile, hits that sweet spot between portability and performance, ideal for riders who want something that's easy to set up and take off. If you mostly ride in urban areas, prioritize something with fast boot-up times and sharp visibility like the Volum or Volum Auto. Adventure riders who need durability and multi-sensor support will get more from the Carpuride Pro series. Those who ride at night or in changing light conditions should look for screens with adaptive brightness or a strong anti-glare finish. If you're big on audio or group comms, make sure your unit supports dual Bluetooth and integrates well with your helmet system. Minimalist setups will benefit from smaller, detachable screens that don't take over your cockpit. For anyone riding in extreme weather, IPX6 or IP67 water resistance is essential. Don't overlook that rating. And if you want a future-proof device, look for models that support firmware updates and external accessories like cameras or tire sensors. Before you decide, think about how you ride, how often, and what features really matter to you. Some of these screens lean more toward convenience, while others offer performance and data features for those serious miles. Also consider visibility and weather resistance, especially if you ride year-round. All the links to check them out are down in the description, so go take a look. And if you found this roundup helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more motorcycle tech reviews, and share it with a fellow rider. Until next time, ride safe and stay connected.